Hello everyone, my name is Ken from PesaPal and I'm going to be taking you through Pay at Reception integration with Fidelio Suite 8. So to go through this process, we're going to do a new reservation. We're going to go to reservations, click on new. I'm going to use my guest name here. Of course, you do a search before creating any new profile. So once you get to the reservation screen, I'm going to make the normal data entry, the rate code, our rate codes, guarantee codes. Also enter the market and the source. Select the market and click on save. So for our first example, we're going to do a deposit. We're going to do a deposit, this booking. And to do that, I'll go to options, billing. Of course, I have to enter my cashier ID. And here I'm going to use the deposit option. Then pick the amount. Then proceed to payment. So on this screen here, we're going to pick our Visa card. We're going to do our example with a Visa card online. Then I'll proceed to click on post. As you can see, the system gives you a pop-up that this will require guest PIN verification on the PDQ. So if I click on yes, it communicates to our PesaPal PDQ. The guest will now insert the card and enter the PIN verification. So once I remove the card, we're going to see a pop-up telling us that the transaction has been successful. As you can see on the screen, it tells you the settlement was successful. Click OK. At this point, you can print a receipt, which is going to be a deposit receipt. So for our second example, we're going to use a guest in-house to do a payment. So I'm just going to find a guest that's already checked in. You can see from our example here, this guest has a balance of 9 shillings. So I'll proceed to do a payment so as to settle his bill using our PDQ. So it already has the Visa online. And once I click on post, of course it gives you the pop-up to tell you that the guest has to verify with the PIN. I click on yes. And it sends the communication to the PDQ. So once I proceed to enter the PIN, the transaction will then be complete. So for our final example, we're also going to do a checkout. And let's use the guest in room 410. Has a balance of 2. So once you proceed to click on the checkout button, then you can select mode of payment. So I'll select the Visa card. And you click on post. So it will always be giving you this confirmation. Click on yes. And it will send. So it awaits for you to verify the PIN on the PDQ. So once the PIN has been entered on the PDQ, it takes a few seconds and the transaction is also successfully complete on that. And as you can see, the guest has been checked out. So those are the 3 example scenarios of where we can use our PesaPal Pay at Reception integration to Fidelio Suite 8.